Quick little video here out of the customers on a service call. I figured I'd do a quick, show you what I do for my day job. You know, I'm a John Deere technician. Here's my mobile truck. Just out here changing the lower gate roll bearing on a itty bitty baler. Customer had it on fire the other day. He's lucky that's all happened. So fires and hay, bad. Okay, repair's all done. New bearing. When I took the collar out and the old flanges off, there was nothing left at all. So when this all went down the other day, customer said he went to go kick the bale out, and come on, focus. This belt tension cylinder blew a seal out, so you couldn't even kick the bale out. And that's not a resealable cylinder. We had to put a whole new one on. So anyways, that's it for this repair. Back to the shop.